here, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this look on my face. I've been doing a lot of really intense looks for the past two videos, so I wanted to tone it down a little bit. I honestly wanted to keep it super minimal. I also wanted to use a couple of products that I haven't used yet. I had placed an order on e.l.f. Cosmetics. I finally got to use the Alissa Ashley gloss, which is what I have on my lips right now, and the e.l.f. Heart Defensor highlighter, which is so freaking pretty. I really wanted to dip into this palette, but I do want to create of course a more intense look in the peachy realm type of deal. So anyways, if you want to learn everything that I use to achieve this look, some of this is first impressions, then just keep on watching and I'd love to share them with you. So the image I have for this look is a very minimal type of dewy, glossy-ish type of look. I don't know, that's what I'm picturing, but I have a lot of things in front of me and not a lot of time, so we're gonna see how this works out. This is the e.l.f. Glowy Dewy Mist, and it's from their coconut and argan oil collection. So let's just I get a little scared. Ooh, that's fine. Hydrating ingredients, hyaluronic acid. I'm sold. That's it. This weather has been leaving me so dry. To fill in my brows, I'm going to use the Ultra Fine Brow Defining Pencil from Benefit. This is their Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I've been using it lately. It is so good. And I've noticed that it lasts such a long time. With my finger, I'm just going to pick some of this blurring primer. I can't think of the name off the top of my head, and of course it's not on here, but it's meant to blur out your under eyes as a corrector before your concealer. Going back into it with the Origins Plantscription Anti-Aging Longwear Concealer. It's just the perfect shade for me. I'm gonna put it everywhere, on my nose especially. When I'm super anxious, my redness is out of control. This melts right into the skin so nicely. I'm going to skip foundation today, so I'm going to go right onto my other creams and powders. I'm going to place this right on top of the hollows of my cheeks. That completes this look. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch one of my videos. I truly appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. What are you waiting for? Click that bell button. Just do it. Do it already. That way you get notified whenever I do post a video, which is Thursday and Sunday. I'm so happy to say that. Let me know if you like videos like these, so that way I'll do more of them, and what you'd like to see next. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. On the today, showing with you? No. Like, I don't know. That was really weird. I don't know what I was trying to say, but if you know here, not all of them, but some of them. No. More spray?
Yeah.